Hey everybody, my name is Michelle and I just wanted to make a quick video out there for all my fellow Torontians about this website that you must visit. It's whattodotoronto.com and I've got it set up here so that you can see. But this website is amazing. Check it out. It's a way to search what's going on in Toronto. So like if you and some friends are just totally chilling and you're like, oh my gosh, I don't actually know what to do, we just want to hang out, this is the perfect website to go to because you can search by all these different things. Seriously, occasion, activity, time of day. How awesome is that? What search website has time of day? Number of people, age group, budget, which is another good one for starving college students, dress code, preferred location, and the date, of course. So this is absolutely awesome. And oh, I have to say, my favorite feature is this happening in the city button. I'll show you. And if you click it, it'll tell you, like for me especially, I know that I can like sit at home and be totally bored and be like, oh my gosh, what do I do with my life? This is awesome because I can just check and be like, oh, what's going on in the city today? And it'll give me a list of events, and if anything sounds good, I can just go and chill there, you know? And you can submit a hotspot, so like if this amazing new coffee shop opens, then you can submit it and be like, this is the greatest thing ever. And it's really just a fantastic website for anyone who lives in Toronto. If you constantly find yourself unsure of what to do or you're just looking for a new hangout, whattodotoronto.com is awesome and it will make sure that you always are having a fun evening. So definitely take a minute and check it out because I'm sure that you're gonna love it.